Military surplus rifles have long fascinated collectors, shooters, and history buffs alike. These firearms carry not only historical significance, but also represent exceptional value for the price. While some classic military rifles have skyrocketed in price due to their rarity, others remain surprisingly affordable in 2025. Here's a rundown of 10 military surplus rifles you can still get at budget-friendly prices. 1. Mosin-Nagant 91/30. The Mosin-Nagant 91/30 has been a cornerstone of surplus rifle collections for decades, and even in 2025 it continues to be remarkably affordable. Produced by the millions in the Soviet Union, these rugged bolt-action rifles are chambered in 7.62 at 54 MR, a cartridge with performance comparable to the .36. Why it's cheap, the sheer volume produced during and after World War II keeps prices low. General price range, $200 to $400. Features to appreciate. Simple, robust design. Plenty of aftermarket parts and accessories. Surplus ammunition is still relatively affordable. 2. SKS Simonov Carbine. Another iconic rifle, the SKS bridges the gap between bolt-action and semi-automatic firearms. Chambered in 7.62 x 39 MEM, the SKS was used by Soviet bloc countries and remains a reliable and capable platform. Why it's cheap, high production numbers, and imports from former Eastern Bloc nations. Typical price range, $400 to $600. Features to appreciate. Semi-automatic operation with a 10-round internal magazine. Easy to maintain and highly durable. Ammo compatibility with modern AK-47s. 3. Swiss K31 Carbine. The Swiss K31, chambered in 7.5 x 55 M Swiss, is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and accuracy. Despite being a precision rifle, K31s remain affordable due to relatively low collector demand. Why it's cheap, overshadowed by more iconic surplus rifles, despite its superior quality. Typical price range, $350 to $600. Features to appreciate. Straight pull bolt action for faster cycling. Superb Swiss manufacturing. Abundant surplus GPA. 11 ammunition. 4. Mauser 98K post-war variants. While original World War II German 98s command premium prices, post-war production variants from countries like Yugoslavia and Spain, 43, are much more affordable. Why it's cheap, not considered as historically significant as World War II era models. Typical price range, $300 to $500. Features to appreciate. Mauser's legendary action. Durable and reliable design. Durable and reliable design. 5. Carcano Mini 1/38. The Carcano series, made famous or infamous by its association with historical events, is an Italian bolt-action rifle that remains a budget-friendly option for collectors. Why it's cheap. less popular compared to other World War II-era rifles. Features to appreciate. Features to appreciate. Historical significance in World War II. Compact and lightweight design. Chambered in 6.5x 5012, a soft recoiling cartridge. 6. Enfield No. 4 M1. The British Enfield No. 4 MK1, chambered in .303 British, is a rifle revered for its fast cycling bolt action and rugged construction. These rifles are still surprisingly affordable in today's market. Why? It's cheap, widely produced, and overshadowed by rarer Enfield models. Features to appreciate. Smooth and fast bolt operation. High-capacity 10-round magazine. Excellent for long-range shooting. 7. Yugoslavian Pacific M59/66 SKS variant. Yugoslavia's take on the SKS includes a few unique features, such as a grenade launcher attachment and a more robust build. Why? It's cheap, imported in large quantities and considered a niche variant. Typical price range, $350 to $500. Features to appreciate. Typical price range, $350 to $500. Tougher construction compared to standard SKS rifles. Compatible with 7.62x30 Canim ammo. 8. Spanish F-free. The F-Rate is a unique bolt-action rifle chambered in 7.62x 50 on NATO. Originally created for training purposes, this Spanish rifle is a fascinating blend of old-school Mauser design and modern chambering. Why niche cheap? Limited production but low collector interest. Typical price range, $400 to $600.
9. Czech Vits 24.
The Vits 24 is a lesser-known but well-respected Mauser variant. Produced by Czechoslovakia, this rifle was used extensively in the early 20th century. Why it's cheap, less iconic than the 98K or other Mauser variants. Typical price range, $400 to $600. 10. Type 99 Arisaka. The Japanese Type 99 Arisaka, chambered in 7.75mm, offers collectors a glimpse into Imperial Japan's wartime arsenal. Despite its historical significance, the rifle remains relatively affordable. Why it's cheap? Less popular among collectors compared to Western rifles. Typical price range, $300 to $500.